travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
So we're finally finished. The beautiful one over there is putting in the finishing touch. Baby, can turn on that, please? Yes, so the beautiful one over there is doing the finishing touch. So that's our printing station over there. Safety first. So we have our fire extinguisher, 2 chairs for people who are waiting. And then we have our large format printer over there as well. High volume printer here, lamination machine, binder, puncher, and my station, design, drawings. Of course, we'll have another one there. Depends on how many technicians we have in-house. This is our design table, so we'll have a technician at that position. Reception area over here, and Care's YouTube studio here. So she will be allowing people to rent her YouTube studio. So it comes with all the lights, camera. You get to use her camera, you get to use the gimbal, you get to use the lights, 2 lights there. Don't mind that chair now. We're going to have a couch here, right? Some nice flowers or plants, depends on what the setup is or what the design of the setup is. So, you know, we'll kind of create an atmosphere there, but for now it's just the camera, the ring light. We have the what do we call these again? The diffuse light, or I don't remember what they are called, but these are lights, right? Those 1, 2, 3. So you'll have 3-point lighting. Yeah, and you have a decent space, have a nice amount of space where you can work on your YouTube videos. We'll put up some canvas paints on the wall, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're really happy with how it turned out. Yeah, so I know I will be really happy doing some decent designs for returning residents here, sketching and just overall improving on our designs and delivering better projects. In particular for here, what I have in mind is that the prints will come out on this table here, and we can bind them from there. For here, they just come out and you're able to touch them here. If you're doing lamination, then you can run it through the machine there, and then you can do your punching here. And the large high volume printing, they can come out and you can, you know, collate them there, or you can take them over to this table. So that's pretty much the idea. Bathroom is around there, right? And beautiful one is just putting her finishing touch. She's just mopping the floor, but we're pretty much finished, guys. We made everything ourselves, right? We made everything ourselves, right? Huh? All the tables, even this one, I had bought this a couple years ago. The top was horrible. We wrap it over so it looks really nice now. You know, it looks almost like new. Right? This one over here, I actually made this, so bought the foot and assemble it and put on the top. Today I had to connect the wires and stuff like that. So yeah, it's good to be handy. It's good to do things for yourself, because guess what? It will come in handy. It will save you some money, right, Kara? Yeah. And as for the equipments, bought over time, right? Over time. We don't just get up one day and buy all of them. We've been working over time for a good while now, and we have been just, you know, working on the dream, and the dream come true, right? Anyways, guys, Carrie, you want to sign out?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and check out some more of our videos, guys.
And support the business. This is what it's all about.
Business.
Yeah.
Visit us at shop number 3, 4 Springville Avenue. It's off Constant Spring Road. So if it goes by, come visit us, okay?
Alright. Peace, guys.
World, all the spaces inside your heart.